If you want to buy the best GoWise air fryer, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different options on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list of GoWise air fryer reviews. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each product are in the description box below. This GoWise air fryer brings convenience to your kitchen with its 8 preset cooking functions. You can easily prepare fries, chicken, steak, shrimp, pork, cake, and fish at the touch of a button. The warm setting is perfect for keeping food ready until you're set to serve. The digital controls allow you to fine-tune your cooking experience. You can adjust the temperature from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control over your recipes. The 30-minute timer ensures you won't overcook your meals, and the beep alert lets you know when your food is ready. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the air frying technology. It uses hot air circulation to crisp up your food with little to no oil, resulting in lower fat versions of your favorite fried treats. You'll enjoy the same crispy texture and delicious taste without the excess calories. The 3.7 quart capacity is ideal for individuals or small households. You can easily prepare meals for 1 or 2 people without taking up too much counter space. The compact size also makes it a great option for dorm rooms or small apartments. To help you get started, the air fryer comes with a recipe book containing 50 dishes specifically designed for this appliance. You'll find inspiration for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. It's a great way to explore the versatility of your new kitchen gadget and discover new favorite meals. Next up on my GoWise air fryer reviews list, we have the GoWise USA 7-quart air fryer, which brings convenience and versatility to your kitchen. With its generous cooking capacity, you can easily prepare meals for the whole family or whip up party snacks without breaking a sweat. The touchscreen display makes operation a breeze, allowing you to select from 8 preset cooking functions with just a tap. You'll love the flexibility this air fryer offers. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries, juicy roasted chicken, or homemade beef jerky, this appliance has you covered. The temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives you precise control over your cooking, while the extended 60-minute timer ensures even slow-cooked dishes come out perfect. One standout feature is the Dehydrator function. With a temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer that runs up to 24 hours, you can create your own dried fruits, vegetables, and herbs. The included stackable racks maximize the cooking space, letting you dehydrate multiple batches at once. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the non-stick coating on the removable pan and crisper tray. These components are also PFOA-free, giving you peace of mind about food safety. The spacious cooking basket measures 10 inches by 9.5 inches by 4, providing ample room for larger items or multiple portions. To help you get started, GoWise USA includes a recipe book with 100 tested recipes. You'll find inspiration for everything from quick snacks to full meals, all designed to make the most of your new air fryer. Plus, with the GoWise's active online community and regular recipe updates, you'll never run out of ideas for delicious, health-conscious meals. This GoWise USA air fryer oven takes your cooking game to the next level. With its generous 12.7 quart capacity, you can easily prepare meals for the whole family. The 3 rack levels give you full control over cooking multiple items at once, perfect for those busy weeknight dinners. You'll appreciate the versatility this appliance brings to your kitchen. It's not just an air fryer, it's also a rotisserie and dehydrator. Imagine roasting a whole chicken to perfection or making your own dried fruit snacks. The possibilities are endless with the 15 preset cooking functions at your fingertips. The included accessories are a real bonus. You get everything from rotisserie tools to mesh baskets, allowing you to experiment with different cooking techniques. The recipe book with 50 recipes will inspire you to try new dishes and make the most of your air fryer oven. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze thanks to the stainless steel interior and removable non-stick drip pan. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. The easy-to-read control display takes the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. While the size may be a bit much for smaller kitchens, it's perfect if you have the counter space and love to cook in larger batches. Some users have noted a learning curve with all the functions, but once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. The 1-year warranty and lifetime support from GoWise USA provide peace of mind for your purchase. Now for the runner-up on my GoWise Air Fryer Review Roundup. The GoWise Digital Air Fryer brings the crispy goodness of fried foods to your kitchen without the excess oil and calories. You'll love how it can fry, bake, grill, and roast your favorite dishes using rapid air circulation technology. With its spacious 5.8-quart basket, you can easily cook family-sized portions. Setting up your desired cooking program is a breeze thanks to the sleek touchscreen interface. Choose from 8 convenient presets for foods like fries, chicken, steak, and even pizza. You can also manually adjust the temperature anywhere from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments. The 30-minute timer ensures your food won't overcook. One handy feature you'll appreciate is the built-in alarm that reminds you to shake the basket at 5, 10, and 15-minute intervals. This helps ensure even cooking and crispiness. The Start-Stop button also allows you to pause and adjust settings mid-cycle if needed. Safety was clearly a priority in the design. The cool touch handle and button guard prevent accidental basket detachment while cooking. The non-stick coating on the pan and basket make cleanup quick and easy too. To help you get started, this air fryer comes with a recipe book featuring 50 tasty dishes to try. You'll find options for every meal of the day. With a little experimentation, you'll soon be air frying all your favorites to crispy perfection with far less oil than traditional methods. So, what is the best GoWise air fryer that you can buy? In my opinion, this air fryer's generous 7-quart capacity and overwhelmingly positive GoWise air fryer reviews make it the best option on the market today. You can easily fit a whole chicken or 5 burgers, making it ideal for whipping up quick meals or party snacks. The square design maximizes cooking space while keeping a relatively compact footprint on your counter. You'll appreciate the full touchscreen control panel with its 8 cooking functions. From air frying to roasting, broiling, baking, grilling, and even dehydrating, this appliance covers all your cooking needs. The preheat function ensures optimal cooking temperatures, while the keep warm setting maintains food at the perfect serving temperature. The temperature range of 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives you precise control over your cooking. You can adjust in 5-degree increments, allowing for fine-tuning of recipes. The extended 60-minute cooking timer accommodates longer cooking tasks, perfect for roasts or dehydrating fruits and vegetables. Speaking of dehydrating, this air fryer doubles as a food dehydrator. With a temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer that extends up to 24 hours, you can create your own dried fruits, veggies, jerky, and herbs. The included stackable racks maximize dehydrating capacity, letting you prep multiple batches at once. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick coating on the removable pan and crisper tray. These components are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. The sleek stainless steel and black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, blending functionality with style. And there you have it, my list of the best GoWise air fryers. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product are in the description box below.